Hey guys, we're back at it again.
Here we go.
Yay! TJ's joining me again. I always get overwhelming feedback from you guys that you love it when he joins. So this is the biggest neighborhood yard sale of the year. So that's why TJ and I are really excited. We need double the manpower today because there's so many amazing yard sales to hit up. There are supposedly, TJ, 248. This is not the way to go.
I just felt like there was like rich stuff over here.
No, I'm having so much anxiety about wearing the GoPro today. I don't want to do it. But I'll do it for you guys. I want you to join me. I want you to tag along. I'm hoping if we get over $2,000 of stuff to resell, I think we should celebrate with Chick-fil-A and order everything off the menu.
It's a lot of chicken.
And if we get if we end up with less than 1,000, I think we should just go to Costco and eat a hot dog in shame.
I don't want a hot dog. Check it out.
You can. Are you okay?
Do you have a 100-pounder?
Oh my god.
Bigger than what? You're the only one that goes for clothes.
What do you mean?
I just don't see many people looking at the clothes.
Hi.
Good morning.
How much for the mystery bags?
They're $1.
They're $1? Should we get 2 of them?
Let's get one. Let's get one.
Okay.
I will admit they're all very similar.
They are similar.
Okay.
Now, is that the one you want?
This is the one.
I bet
I think
they hide the good ones in the back.
Do you really?
Yeah, I suspect.
Let's do it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, guys. I am ready.
Okay.
It was like the one CD I owned. It was dope.
Wait, you had the original now?
I had, well, this is like,
Is that now
I
one?
thought it was like now 5.
Okay.
Oh, we have a ton
Anyway.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Ba-boop-ba-da.
You ready to go, Tish? Is this real?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Okay. You just be my holder. Oh, sorry. Not you. Will you hold for me? No. Ask how much for all of this.
What is it?
Just guess.
What are you thinking for this thing?
Let's do $5 for the box.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then how about for the clothes?
The boots are going to be, and the dresses are 10 each.
10 each? Okay. Would you come down to
Yes.
10 for the boots? Would you do 20 for the clothes, the boots and the dresses?
Yeah.
Okay, so 25 for everything?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
I hadn't even finished parking, and you had already said, "Oh my gosh, those are hunter boots." Yes. How do you? It's like you just can spot it from a mile away.
It's a gift. Oops. I got it. Yes.
Are they playing today?
You know what? I bet they are.
They have it labeled so nice.
$2.
Look at that.
That's good.
Look what they did.
Yeah, they did. Here, hold this for me.
People are.
This is funny.
If
It's cute though.
I don't know how
It's
you would
a
know.
cute strap, honestly.
How would you know? Tell me. Look at that and tell me.
You just touch it.
How would you?
You just touch
You
it.
just feel it.
That's so funny. It's a Fuji marmot bag.
How do you know?
'Cause I know. Are you okay?
Oh man, first garage sale lawsuit.
Hi.
Is that a brand you know? What is this?
Why are you so
Yes, I'm having difficulty controlling the volume of my voice!
Is there a price on it? Or are we just gonna
No,
say
we'll just
$1?
get, yeah, we'll guess, yeah.
Do you have general pricing for stuff?
The clothing is $1.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
so
lot.
much. Let's just peek. All right, Let's peek down here.
We're always on the lookout.
Do you want to get it?
No.
It's technically not a donut machine. It's a, what is
It's a donut hole
this?
machine.
Donut hole. Cake pop machine.
Close. I didn't get a chance to ask her, would she go 5 on these?
I couldn't call her and ask her. She just told me 10, so. Would you be willing to go 5?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You guys have a good one.
It's mostly teen girl stuff. It's my daughter's.
Oh, okay, fine. Gotcha.
Whatever you're willing to pay.
Oh, okay.
If it's like, don't
Oh,
bring it back.
Oh, okay.
Don't bring it.
I have 9.
Today, right?
Would you go $20 for the lot here?
Yeah.
Sounds
Great.
awesome.
Okay, let me take a peek.
Oh, shoot. How much?
5.
Here's what I'm surprised. I'm surprised that the pre-printed stickers actually have a $7.50 option.
I was surprised at that as well.
1, 2, even numbers. Now we're doing 50 cents.
Good morning. Good. How about you? Good.
You know, everything on this side is 4 for 20. And
Okay.
then dollar stuff over here.
Great.
So-
Okay. Awesome. Hey, T, should we be my holder?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Yes. Here.
Let's see. Okay. There needs to be some regulation on kids' candy stores. But she had this, it was 3 for $1, and it was like little wintergreen mints and bubble gum and Tootsie Rolls. Like, oh, what a deal. Uh-oh.
I mean,
I don't like this because the shipping is $1 million.
would you do 5 for these? Sure. All right. Thank you. Guys, this is why I do this and not TJ, because he is
hungry.
He is 100%.
We're flipping around. We were gonna leave and get
Wimping
food,
out.
but now Ashley's like, wait,
There's one more.
one more garage sale.
Well, they're all together. You
I
never know.
That's true. You never know. So this is the one.
TJ's really. Okay, we're going to this one,
It'd be
and then
hilarious if it's just a gold mine.
yeah,
And I
and
was
you
just
want
gonna
to
drive
just.
right by.
And there's that one down there. I've done
Okay.
well at both.
Here,
So park in the middle.
park
Drop
in
me
the
off.
middle.
Drop me off. I will look.
Oh, look at all those clothes.
Yeah,
Dude,
TJ.
this is your wheelhouse.
Drop me off. You
All right. Best movie ever.
Oh my gosh. It's uplifting. It's wholesome.
So we had $1 item. Is this the one? The only
Yeah,
one?
$1.
Okay. And then
$5, Steph.
2, 4, 5 pairs of
5
shoes.
pairs of shoes.
Yeah.
And then are these still? What are all these
So
items?
those will all be like 5 a piece. So let's just do like 50 for all. Is that what that would come out to?
Could you do 40 for everything? Okay, let's do that.
Awesome. Thank you.
My brain doesn't add very well
That's okay.
anymore.
No, it's okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And I got a free bag.
TJ, I'm getting very nervous that we're gonna have to actually go get a Costco dog.
You know what?
What is going on?
I like Costco dogs, and so whenever I see really nice stuff, I hide it.
But the goal today is to hit up as many as we can. And I'm actually curious if we can like set a record of how many sales we go to. So we just went to that one, heading to this one. How many do you think we've been to?
At least 300.
We have not been to 300. How much for these?
5.
5? Okay. Maybe hang on to that. How much for the jeans?
Good chat.
$2? Would you do one just because that's all I've got? Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
It's been a few hours.
Man, is this all we got? What? Okay, well we have the mystery bag, so that's what's important. We have these. We had some good shoes.
Here's what we say. We had a thing where we said if we have 2,000 in profit, we'll go Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. I'm hoping if we get over $2,000 of stuff to resell, I think we should celebrate with Chick-fil-A.
I don't know what's in the mystery bag, but I'm assuming it's good.
Yeah.
So I think we hit our goal, and we should treat ourselves.
Okay, let's do it.
What do you think?
I think we should go to Chick-fil-A.
Okay. What's up? What?
I'm gonna film you grabbing it.
I'm just listening to a little Dave Ramsey. What's wrong with that?
Well, we get our Chick-fil-A. We really flaked out on the Costco deal.
Look.
We really did not.
Again, we don't know what's in the mystery bag.
That's true.
And I don't want to shortchange us.
That's
so
true.
Let's just play it safe. Let's get the Chick-fil-A. Assume there's a diamond ring in there. Is that everything?
Awesome,
Okay,
thank you. Oh my gosh.
We earned it, okay?
We didn't, but
we
whatever.
didn't
I don't
earn
care.
it.
I'm gonna eat my feelings. All right, here we go. We have everything laid out. Thoughts?
so tired.
This is a lot. We went to, I'm gonna count up, I'm gonna go upstairs real quick and count up how many yard sales we went to and look through my footage, but here's everything. Was it the most exciting yard sale Saturday? No, but we went to a ton of sales and we got some good deals.
This is a lot.
I'm gonna just give you guys a general fly by the seat of my pants guesstimate on what this stuff will sell for. We spent hardly anything. I'll add it up when I edit the video. We got some Solomon shorts, say $15 for those, 15 for the North Face. The Sundance top, another 15. This is a really cute Free People dress, actually. I'm gonna look up the style name, but I think this is an easy because it's got the little like flutter bell sleeves. I think this is like $40. I think this will be really cute, so that's good. And this is a brand new Lulu's dress. This is an easy 25. We got the Lululemons. We got for $5. These are high rise, which is why I got them. These are at least $40.
Nice.
So throw them up for that. North Face short sleeve, probably $25 on that. $25 on that. $100.
Really?
I think this will sell for $100. I really do.
$1.
We got it for $3. I think we got
No,
it for
$2 because we bought something else from her. What is this?
Why are you so bonus they threw in the hanger.
Oh,
This is a
sweet.
Fabletics, brand new, probably like $30 on that. And then I just grabbed these, I don't know, Levi's low boot cut. I got them because of the Y2K trend coming back, so $30. Okay, the Jamberry set, everything together, like these gels, there's 13, I got everything for $5. They're not brand new, but they're in like new condition. Everything together, I'm gonna throw in the heat lamp and the curing lamp and the mini heater and everything. I'm gonna throw it up for $100 on eBay and I bet it'll sell very quickly. Maybe even a little bit more. This is absolutely fake. I think I was lied to my face, Teach. This is fake and sus. I grabbed it knowing that. Is this real?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Okay. Because I thought it would be kind of funny. Like, is this real?
You knew
Yes.
it was fake. You
Yeah.
still paid for it.
I did still buy it.
Oh,
I don't know.
We were robbed.
So this is a Kate Landry, $30 on this one. Brand new Vionic booties. We got these for $5, not 10.
Nice.
I think these will sell for like 35. This is just a wall plug-in Tilia. This will probably sell for $20. Okay, are we ready to open the mystery bag?
Dude, I am ready.
Okay.
So you start
Oh. We have a Jaru ball. What is this?
Ja Rule.
Oh, we got La Chica Fiesta.
Okay.
What is this? It's an air freshener. A Christmas ornament with a framed Christmas ornament.
Perfect.
Wait, we got this last time.
Another
We
one
got
of those.
this patch last time, the Rebellion. And can you get me something to open it with?
Probably a Rolex. Drum roll.
Drum roll. It's the same.
Yay!
It's the same thing as last time.
Wait a minute.
They're
Are
the
these the
same.
mystery bags that didn't sell
These
last
are the
time?
These are the mystery
and you
bags.
just put them out again?
Maybe. It's the same.
It's a toilet.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on you.
Man, what a score.
Oh gosh. R.I.P. to the Utah Jazz. The Donovan Mitchell issue 3s. I see these on eBay for like $50 used. So 40 or 50, let's put 40. Some Hunter red boots in really good condition. I think I could sell these for like, I got them for 10. I think I could sell them for 40. 2 pairs of Dansko sandals, $30 each. Free People Dorsey style sandals. I think I can conceal this. Yeah, I think I can do something to fix that. If not, I still think they'll sell for like $40. Love Free People. Some Birkenstocks, some white Arizonas, $30 on these. They do look a little bit beat up. These were really exciting. Fry wedge booties. I think these will sell for like $40. Lucky Brand belts. These are cool. These have sold really well for me in the past. Maybe like $25. And then we just have a ton of those Nike. We got the Air Jordan, a bunch of Nike tees. I have 7 of these. And then I have 2 Nike sweatpants. What I'm going to do is lot these together. I will sell them as a lot. I paid $20 for everything. I think at the least it'll sell all for $100 lotted up. So happy with that. We have some designer glasses here. Think Pink. These sunglasses, we got Vera Wang sunglasses, some Bulova, and then Oleg Cassini. Let's say $30 each. I just sold a pair of designer glasses for $30, so I think at the least we'll get $30. Not the best Saturday, but maybe a record for how many we hit up. We were out for a long time. Okay, what's the...
We were out for like 3 hours.
What's the grand total?
You know, I didn't even think we hit hot dog status.
I know.
But we barely crossed the hot dog threshold. According to the numbers you gave me, which I could have misadded here or there.
Okay.
1,005. So
1,500?
No, 1,005.
1,005.
1,005.
Okay. Look, $1,000 bucks. $1,000 on a Saturday. That's great. But because we spent, I would say like less than 100 for everything. Well, I appreciate you guys tagging along. It was so much fun, as always, to have you join us. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for all kinds of content about finding things to sell online, yard sales, thrift stores, pallets, wherever. I get everything I can to sell and flip things from home because that's what I do. Engage with this video, like it, comment, tell me what I missed, tell me what your thoughts are, what success have you had at yard sales. I love hearing your feedback and your comments. And thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.